Okay, y'all. Good morning. Okay, I think I finally got everything open in the store. I was up till 4 a.m. last night editing, and then when I got up this morning at 7:30, I had to do another hour and was squeaking it in here at 10 a.m. One thing did happen today. I didn't get it on video. When I was right here doing these gift sets last night, I don't know if y'all noticed, I'll insert it, but there was a whole bunch of boxes and stuff lined up right here. Those were vendors and those were timed out items, and so they came and picked those up. Yay! That always makes me happy when I can clear out a little section of the store. I thought of something this morning that I need to do for these. I wanted to include a little chip brush and I forgot that, so I'm going to grab a couple of those. Thought I would doll up some more stuff. I might tie the brush on top. Oh, that was not cute. Okay, I think I'm just tired and it's affecting my mood. We've had several people come in, and y'all, I'm just going to be honest with you. This year has been the craziest year in my 12 years of business. The economy is definitely a real thing. Retail is down. My sales affect I wish it didn't, but it definitely affects my mental health. It feels like a slight, like I'm not good enough, like my store's not good enough. I know I always seem like I'm a cheerful, go lucky and happy or whatever, but sometimes it's just really hard. I'm here by myself, and being able to vlog is crazy, right? I should be swamped. Retail in general is changing. How people shop is changing. My lack of sleep is not helping me with my mood. I'm getting hangry. So I think I'm going to stop, fix me some lunch. But I haven't got much done other than upload yesterday's video. So I need to get y'all some better stuff. We'll do something after I eat. There's customers in the store and I'm having Brunswick stew from Hannah's Barbecue. It's really good. My one little hush puppy. They're good though, y'all. It's like almost 2:30 and I have not even done a social media post. So this is what I was talking about yesterday. If I'd already planned this out yesterday, I wouldn't even have to worry about it. There is a vendor here, y'all, that her stuff is so amazing. I'll kind of feature her a little bit. Her name is Debbie, and she is a potter. Is just an artist in general. She doesn't just do pottery. These are felt balls that she's made. They're little ornaments. Look at this jewelry art. That is so amazing. There's a little heart. First of all, Santa Clauses. These are pottery and the snowman. Super popular. Can't keep them in stock. They're beautiful. I mean, it's got an old watch in there. Look at that. That's amazing. I think I might have to have this old one. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh. You have to look close. She just does a really good job of putting this together. Look. I'm going to feature some of this on a Facebook, Instagram post. There's a sign that I started on a couple weeks ago. I actually did it in the 3 days where we were doing Trash to Treasure. It's this Noel sign right here. I need to put hardware on the back. We're going to take it back here. I'm gonna need my hammer. Let me grab that. My hammer is not where it's supposed to be in its usual place. Cannot find my hammer. All right, ladies, if we don't be safe and stay warm and dry.
Have a Merry Christmas. Yeah, if we don't
Merry
see
Christmas. Told you I had bad handwriting. I am going to grab a bag of stuff. I bought a bunch of stuff like 2 weeks ago that needed to be repurposed. So I'm going to grab a bag. It's 4:15. We're going to try to get it done before 5 because I want to be out of here at 5. I am tired. I'm going to grab a bag. It's like, what do they call them? Grab bags, mystery bag. Let's grab a bag and see what's in it. I have to set a goal, right? Whatever's in this bag, I've got to fix it up, clean it up, and it's got to be priced and put out. Super cute. I can definitely do something with that. Nothing needs to be done to him. He's adorable. Cute little Santa. Almost done. Halfway done with that one already. Oh, this is Mikasa. This one just needs to be cleaned. It's got some wax on it. That's a good one. I'm going to heat up some water because I think that wax is going to need to be hot. I don't want to burn myself. It's going to be hot. It's coming right off. Let's clean the bottom too. Great piece. All it needed was some cleaning and it's good to go. Look how cute. I love the little Santa on top of the tree. I had a little flurry, so I've already closed. It's after 5. I don't even know what time it is. Which was nice right there at the end of some shoppers. Found a cute little candle. This is my daughter's booth. She made these beeswax candles. I like that simple, just like that. How cute that is. I love it. Let's find a spot to put it. I think I want to put it in this little cabinet right here. I think this could be cute if the candle's not too tall. Perfect. Yeah. It's like a convoy of Christmas trees. Isn't that cute? Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Thank you. And I can add more Christmas stuff later. It's not the greatest, but that's pretty cute. Need to fix his beard a little bit. Oh my gosh, I love him. Look at his cute little eyebrows. Oh my gosh. I am gonna stuff up his little skirt. I want some fluff in that, and I think I've got some leftover batting. Fold it in there. Make it look nice and soft and snowy. Put him kind of like that. Don't want to call it skirt, but his robe. That alone is not bad. I think I got this at Walmart. Put it in there. I'm just gonna fluff him just a little bit. Ah! He is sweet. Let's find him a spot. I added a little bow. I'm officially calling it quits. That's it for Vlogmas Day 2. Now I just gotta go home and edit all this stuff. I was down on a downer, but once I got to doing the creative side, my spirit picked back up and I'm back excited again. I appreciate y'all watching. Thank you for smashing the like button and commenting and all the subscribing and stuff that you're gonna do or have done. Y'all take care. See you next time. Bye.